Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Can you guess what it is?
Radish, basil,
No.
carrot, pecans.
This is a Shamrock Shake.
Shamrock Shake. So yummy.
What does it taste like?
Vanilla. That tastes yummy. Tastes like chocolate. Vanilla chocolate. Yummy. I'm gonna eat this. Good recipe, Mama.